Good Friday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Just Peterson. Let's talk about the weather for your Friday. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, we do have some rain and some flooding going on up here near Rock Hill and Lancaster, South Carolina. We also do have some flood watches going through the entire PD region of South Carolina. And that's pretty much all in terms of things right now. Maybe a couple of showers over here near the Georgia-South Carolina border, just to the north of McCormick, South Carolina. If we scroll out and see the entire United States, you can see here that we do have some rain and some flooding concerns inside the eastern, obviously, inside of the Carolinas, going off the coast of the Carolinas as well. One of the few days that Florida is actually not receiving a lot of rain. Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic's looking fine. The Great Lakes region is looking fine. We do have some rain down here going from Texas, flooding concern for the coastal Texas region, and also northwestern Louisiana or western Louisiana as well. Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee still receiving some rain. And then also over here inside of the Four Corners region, we do have some rain going on over there. Here's our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now is showing heavy cloud cover over Lake Florence, just to the south and east of Florence, Augusta, Columbia, just to the north and east of Savannah, and north and west of Charleston. Heavy cloud cover is going on through there. We do have some clear spots though. Clear spots that goes from the coast also all the way up there in the upstate. As well, we do have some clearing up there, but mainly everyone right now is covered with clouds. If we go through the next 18 or so hours as we push this forward, you see that we do have that cloud cover that will, again, just keep on trying to take over. And it will probably succeed. Here's like as we get into later tonight. Tonight, cloud cover again is going to be spotty in some spots, but mainly cloud cover is taking over. Here's our current temperatures right now: 75 in Columbia, 77 in Charleston, 77 in Savannah, 77 in Myrtle Beach, 73 in Rock Hill, 71 in Greenville, 73 in Anderson, 73 in Walhalla, 75 in Sumter and Florence. Here's our high temperatures for today: around 89 in Columbia, 88 in Charleston, 88 in Hilton Head Island, 86 in Greenville, 84 in Spartanburg, 84 in Rock Hill, 87 in Anderson, 85 in Myrtle Beach, 88 in Sumter, and 86 in Florence. Here's our peak sustained winds for today. Very calm today, around 5 to 6 miles an hour, maybe even 3 miles an hour over there near Sumter and Kingstree. But once you get to the coast, around 7 to 10 miles an hour is possible. I'm going from 7 to Georgetown, 8 to Hilton Head Island, 9 to Myrtle Beach, and then 10 at Charleston. Here's our peak wind gusts. Peak wind gusts, again, are going to be calm today. Not really going to call out too many locations. It's going to be a very calm wind day and not really much in terms of wind. Here's our forecast precipitation through the next 24 or so hours. You see around a quarter of an inch to a half an inch in Columbia, half an inch to an inch in Charleston, 1.5 to 2 inches in Myrtle Beach, 1.5 to 2 inches in Georgetown, 2 to 3 inches possible in Moncks Corner, Somerville, Ridgeville, half an inch to an inch possible in Charleston, half an inch to an inch possible in Hilton Head Island, 1 to 1.5 inches possible in Kingstree, half an inch to an inch in Florence, half an inch to an inch in Dillon, maybe even quarter of an inch to half an inch in Orangeburg, and maybe even 1/100 of an inch to 1/10 of an inch in Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson. So again, the low country, South Carolina, is going to definitely receive the most amount of rain, especially in the Tri-County region. That's where like most of the rain's falling. Maybe even an isolated 3 to 4 incher out there inside of Berkeley County. But other than that, you're just going to have to watch out for some very heavy rainfall. Flash flooding is obviously the big concern here. And here's our SPC outlook again. Just regular thunderstorms are expected today. Not really too much in terms of big time thunderstorms, but flash flooding is obviously going to be the concern here, and that's why we have a slight risk of excessive rainfall for where we can see that possible 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in like low country and all the way up in North Carolina up here. So that's why we do have that slight risk of excessive rainfall. Everyone else in the state is in a minor flooding zone, which means that minor flooding is possible. No tropical cyclone activity is expected during the next 7 days either. So now let's go on. Let's talk about the future. Just for today, as we push this forward, here's what 11 o'clock could look like: showers and thunderstorms kicking up in the northeastern portion of South Carolina, and then it kind of expands a little bit. Here's what it could look like at 1 o'clock. Here's 4 o'clock right here. Heavy showers, heavy downpours, going all the way from the PD region through Sumter, Columbia, Greenwood, as well, and up there inside the upstate as well. We'll have the potential for some thunderstorms through there as well. And then you can start to see around 6, 7 o'clock, those showers and thunderstorms really start to get going down here, where we could potentially see our 2 to 3 inches. And as that passes through, we do have some showers and storm activity up there just near Gaffney at around 1 o'clock in the morning. And that's pretty much it in terms of rain activity. So here's just one more loop of it if you want to see it again. It's just, again, a typical day of showers and storms. Just some areas will get a lot of rain from it. But that's all that I have in terms of a weather forecast for today. Here's the radar one last time for the state. Just one last time if you want to look at it. And that's all that I have. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Friday. Not Thursday, Friday. And I'm not sure. I probably will not be back tonight. But if I am, I see me go live at 9 o'clock. But I'm not sure if I will or not. So do not be expecting a video or a live forecast update. But that's it. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Friday. And I will be back, if not tonight, then tomorrow morning.